Hey guys, Mike Muller, Bar Down Baits. Welcome back to the channel. I'm hoping everybody checked out that Changeable Pigment battle, part 1 of 3. Turned out well. Again, we did MF Changeable Cutthroat Trout and MF Changeable Purple Rain. You can see the results right over my shoulder. I kind of left that alone. And in day 2, guys, if you're looking for changeable pigment, stay tuned for this one. Behind the plastic here, we are going to unveil our participants today. I have already shot this color, you guys. This one is fantastic. Today's episode, there's going to be a little bit more wow factor. I will guarantee you that. So we've got Lureworks Chameleon dye. And then here, Dead On Plastix Kiwi. You guys, sit back, enjoy the show. I'm going to try to kind of condense it. I want 16 minutes of footage today. I'm going to try to smush everything together in the editing process. Anyway, day 2 of 3, changeable pigment battle. This one is going to be good. Same rules apply. 20 drops per half a cup, round 1. Maybe add some more pigment if we feel necessary, and add black flake. Stay tuned for this one, guys. This one is going to be a hot episode. If you haven't checked out episode 1, I'll leave a link up here, over there, or at the end of the video. Make sure to check that out. Okay, gang, we got that plastic all heated up. Again, round 1, we're doing the Kiwis. Same deal as in day 1. I got the 20 drops in. This has got a nice dark green to it. And there is a hint of brown. It's like the shell of the kiwi is the accent color, and the actual green is the kiwi. So I wish I could be a better videographer here and get this on footage, but there is definitely a brown hue to this, and I'm gonna go out on a limb and say we're gonna be able to see this pretty clearly in the baits. Okay, gang, we have got it up to temperature. Round 1, Dead On Plastix Kiwi Changeable. Very good. We'll get 2 of these again, just like we did the other day. Top these off. Show you guys what we got going on here on the nozzle. This one is gonna be good. See that brown in there? Okay, let's let them cool off and we'll unveil these real shortly here. Stay tuned. Okay, gang, this should be cooled down. Again, we are highlighting some angling AI molds, and if I say 4.1 inch pinpoint, there's gonna be heck to pay. I've shot that mold 1,000,000 times. It's the 4-inch pinpoint. This one right here is the 3.2 inch rip wrap. Get a look. You can see that brown in the sprues up on the top. Let's get them out. Come on, do me justice, lights. Can we get that? And my big fingers don't help either. Can we get that changeable in the camera? It's tough, but I think you guys can see it. Green, brown, this color is amazing. Holy Toledo. Okay, let's see if we can say it right. The 4-inch angling AI pinpoint. Again, I've said it a zillion times. One of my go-to molds in the fall for walleyes. Oh, come on, people. I knew today was going to be a little bit more bling bling. Not that those other ones that we did on day 1 were good. They were just really subtle. These have got, look at that sprue. See that brown? This is, oh my gosh, this is awesome, guys. Let me just get you in here. Do a little spin. Let's get in on that sprue. Brown, green, kiwi. God, they named this one appropriately. It's hard not to get excited. It really is. It is hard not to get excited. Okay, there's round one. Okay, gang, we're back. We're changing the rules of engagement. Not 10, but 5 more drops. This is a very changeable, so. And let's get our flake. We also changed the rules of engagement. I am putting in a little bit larger flake this time so we can see it better. Oh, Lord. Okay, I'm just going to get you guys in on exactly what size we're using. We used a small size. We're getting that size going today. So temperature is going to be good here. We're going to shoot these right away. Definitely like that bigger flake in here. Okay, let's get these bad boys shot. Okay, here we go. Round 2, version 2. Dead On Plastix, Kiwi. Hopefully we can get 2. We got 1. Oh, it's not going to happen, is it? No, I'm not even going to try to do 2. Barely got 1. Bring you guys in. Oh boy. Dead On Plastix, Kiwi. Whew. Dead On Plastix, Changeable Kiwi, round 2. We added 5 more drops of that to the half a cup. We added bigger black flake, and that one didn't turn out. I'm going to show you guys again. Did not have enough plastic. This one even turned out worse than the one yesterday. That is no bueno. After we get these bad boys unveiled, 4-inch pinpoint coming at you. Come on. There we go. Gosh. That is nice. Sprue, you get a real good indication of what's going on with that color. I hope you guys can. And, oh, let's take 2 off. Sorry, not in focus. Changeable. There's that nice brown in there. Brown, green. This color is unbelievable. I would highly recommend this, this changeable. It's got a definite wow effect. Okay, gang, I rectified my mistake here with the 3.2-inch riprap. Let's check how these guys looked out. The 4-inch pinpoint, awesome, in my opinion. Yeah, those turned out better. Just didn't have enough plastic. Let's get that sprue and all. Got that dog here. I got to get Bella out here, introduce you to her. Got all this dog hair around. That, people, is a good changeable right there. That brown is evident. Again, like I said, they named this they named it correctly. Kiwis. Jeez. Okay, take those off. Again, let's dangle these in front of the camera here. Dead On Plastix, Kiwi, changeable with black flake. Okay, let's get round 2 going. Round 2, coming at ya, Lureworks Chameleon dye, another heavy hitter. Okay, gang, we got the plastic heated up. Guys, ready for round 2, version 1. 20 drops of Lureworks Chameleon Changeable Pigment. Oh man, purple to brown. Oh, this is awesome. That screams smallmouth to me. The lighting in here is so bad. I don't even know why I'm doing this because you can barely even see it. But we've got purple to brown going on. Let's get these baits shot. Okay, temperature is up to temp. Here we go, round one. Come on. That one did not feel well. Oh boy, the blunders keep coming. That second one did not turn out. Let's top this off. Boy, that 4-inch pinpoint is thirsty. Okay, gang, before we unveil them, I want to get you guys in here. You can see that brown. I just want to make sure that you guys are seeing that as I move this around. Let me get you in on the top of this sprue as well. Can you guys see that brown? I think there we go. Purple to brown. Again, this screams smallmouth. Okay, bait should be cooled off. Again, on this 3.2-inch riprap, we had a bad second shot again. Oh well, we do have one. Oh, come on. Pick it up. Brown, purple. Love it. I think, just talking out loud here, again, the lighting in here is awful, but you could almost even up the saturation on that to get a little bit more brown and to get a little deeper purple. We'll see in that next round. Okay, like that, 4-inch pinpoint coming at you. Okay. I think that sprue gives you the best indication of how these baits look. Oh, I wish there was better lighting in here, guys. That right there is a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's get a couple pulled off. Again, in my opinion, I think you could up the saturation for a little bit more effect. But doesn't that not scream smallmouth? Purple, bass, oh gosh. Largemouth and smallmouth. I think any toothy critter would probably eat that. Okay. Let's get round two going. Guys, both of these pigments, these changeables, in my opinion, are awesome. Okay, guys, I'm fighting off the temptation to add more than 5 drops to this Chameleon dye, but we're going to stick with 5 and the flake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, this is just kind of a baseline for both of these colors. I think the sky is the limit with these. Man, you can have some fun with both of these. Holy cow. Okay, let's get that bigger black flake in. I didn't mind that. Actually, I'm kind of mixed on that. But anyway, I do like that. I think these are going to be round 2. 5 more drops to that half a cup, less than half a cup now. And black flake. Temperature should be good. 320, I'm good with that. Let's go. Let's do this. Get the glove on. Safety first. And away we go. Okay. Get you in on that. That brown going on? Goodness gracious. Okay, let's let these baits cool off and we'll show them off to the camera. Baits should be cool. Let's get the riprap going. Again, this is Chameleon, round 2, 5 more drops of pigment. Again, like I was saying, 5 more drops, that dye, And the larger black flake. Gosh, there's that one. He's picking that up. Oh boy, gosh. That's a winner. Four-inch pinpoint coming at ya. Impressive. Impressive. Here they all are dangling on the sprue there. Looky there. Guys, again, both of these colors, we did kind of a baseline on what you can do with these. Man, is there fun to be had with these. Is there fun to be had with these baits right here. Lighting does this no justice. These are absolute gems, in my opinion. Okay, gang, that wraps up day 2 of the Changeable Pigment battle. Now, let's just do a real quick recap. Day 1, we had 2 very subtle colors from MF, Purple Rain Changeable and Cutthroat Trout Changeable. Again, very subtle, very nice. In today's episode, day 2 of the Changeable Pigment battle, we had 2 different companies going at it. We had, behind me you can see we got Dead On Plastix. Kiwi Changeable, the name they got spot on. I mean, we're talking brown, green, changeable, very nice color. Again, baseline with the saturation levels. Could you have more fun? Could you get more changeable? 100%. Does my lighting in here stink? Yes. Camera makers, come on, you got the technology. Give us a lens that can really show off these vibrant colors that us bait makers are working on. Anyway, Dead On Plastix, Kiwis Changeable, awesome color. Moving on, Lureworks, Chameleon dye. This color screams smallmouth. This purple to brown. Again, both of these colors, amazing. Don't get me wrong. Can have a lot of fun with this. And we're talking, we can add sparkle flake, we can add different color flake, we can add different size flake. I added some larger size flake today. Not sure if I like that, but I think the baits did turn out well. And again, it's giving you guys a good baseline if you're looking to get into this, looking for some changeable pigments. These 2 need to be very high on your list. Disclaimer, I have no alliance with any of these companies, none. I can tell you flat out right now, they both stink. Well, that's not the case. And I do buy them with my own money. They do produce good baits for me. So that's why I'm giving these companies their shameless plugs. And it's for the love of bait making. This is not a money maker for me. This is a passion project. And I love doing this and I love sharing information for you guys. So if you guys are liking the information that you're getting here, please consider liking and subscribing. I'm new on YouTube and kind of doing that flatline right now, kind of in that phase. Love what I'm doing. Love getting information out to you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying this content with the changeable pigment. I'm going to leave links all over the place for you guys to check out day 1, day 2, other videos that I've been making. Guys, day 3 tomorrow. Stay tuned for that one. I guarantee you're going to enjoy that one. We got, in my opinion, not that these 2 were heavy hitters. These 2 are heavy hitters. Day 3 is going to involve major players in this bait making industry of changeable pigments. Stay tuned for that, guys. Like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Mike Muller, Bar Down Baits, signing off. Peace.